PCB manufacturing is not as complicated as we might think. Today, let's use an animation to show how a double-layer PCB is made. It starts with an FR4 board coated with copper on both sides. Holes are drilled, followed by chemical copper deposition, which creates electrical connection between the two copper layers. A negative dry film photoresist is laminated, aligned with a photomask, and exposed to UV light. The exposed areas harden, while the unexposed areas dissolve during developing, revealing copper to be etched away. Copper plating thickens the circuit traces. Then a layer of tin is plated to protect the copper. All photoresist is removed. Etching removes the unwanted copper. The tin is stripped off and the final copper traces appear. Solder mask ink is applied over the entire board. And after another exposure and developing, only the pads are opened while all other areas are protected. Next, the pads receive a surface finish, such as hazel. Finally, silkscreen printing, routing, and electrical testing are performed. And that's the simplified process of how a double-layer PCB is made.